This is my 1964 Ford Falcon. I took it apart in 2020 and stripped it all down to metal. I put like a cross member and I've done some stuff to it, but like the exterior work, this is all from someone else, a different shop. I'm gonna weld all of this up. I'm not gonna put the trim back on. I'm gonna weld up all the holes for the emblems. I'm gonna put new quarters on it. There's lots of pitting. This is a previous patch from different shop. They pulled this where the tail light goes and stuff. I'm gonna fill all those holes where the trim was on the back too. This is someone's patch they put in. There's like some Bondo and stuff. So this is everything I found when I stripped all the paint off it. But overall, it's in really good shape. I had to put new floor pans in it, but I still gotta finish doing that. But overall, the car's in really good shape. Like all the jams, like no rust or anything. Door panels, doors are in really good shape. No rust or nothing. I got another video showing the underside of the car. I didn't strip everything on the floor yet, but the back of the car's got like lots of pitting back here. Back in here too, I gotta do some patchwork, and I don't think you can buy that panel. I'm gonna have to make it, or I'll figure that out. But overall, it's in really good shape. This side, same thing. Previous, whoever else had this car over the years, like did some patches in there, right here too. So I'm gonna have to cut all that out. Same thing on this side of the car, they filled in where the trim was. Here's the inside of their patchwork. Yeah, the inner wheel wells too. I'm gonna have to patch that up. There's some more of their patchwork. But yeah, I haven't touched this thing in about a year. I've been tinkering with it a little bit. I put the cross member in it, did the floor patches, and then I put in a patch panel for where the radio was. Like they had that all cut out because they had like an aftermarket stereo in there. So I got the cross member. I took the shock towers out. Way more room in here. And then I got a radiator for it, but I still gotta mess around with all that. Get a new steering column. But yeah, this is my project, so